I can't believe I'm finally here. Press subscribe for more videos round and about Great Britain. And I've always fancied coming to Milford Haven, even though I've heard it's very industrial, which I can see over there. It is quite industrial. Anyway, let's get out. I learned about it at school in geography. Milford Haven, the very tip of Wales, South Wales, far west. And it's really big estuary. So we're going to get out of the van now. Been driving since yesterday afternoon. Here is Milford Haven. Big estuary. Memorial commemorating Operation Overlord, 6 June 1994, invasion of Normandy, World War II. Used to be a fishing port by the looks of it. Z Wild here, press subscribe for more videos round and about Great Britain. And we're over at Milford Haven. And here's the marina at Milford Haven. Very nice. Dodgy looking character over there, also videoing. He's running off now, he knows he's on camera. And a lot of these lovely boats. Milford Marina. Press subscribe for more videos round and about Great Britain. Z Wild over and out. All houseboats here at Milford Haven. And also there's a lot of spray going on the boats. There was. Stopped doing it now. There's a great big cloud of water spray.